150 से ज्यादा देशों को कोविड-19 टीके और चिकित्सा उपकरण उपलब्ध कराने वाले भारत ने उन सभी देशों की तारीफ की है जिन्होंने महामारी की दूसरी लहर से जूझ रहे देश को जरूरत का सामान मुहैया कराने में वैसी ही दोस्ती और एकजुटता की भावना दिखाई है। विदेश सचिव हर्षवर्धन श्रृंगला ने संयुक्त राष्ट्र सुरक्षा परिषद की उच्च स्तरीय बैठक में कहा, कोविड-19 महामारी ने वैश्विक निर्भरता की मजबूती को लेकर हमें और ज्यादा जागरूक किया है।
The COVID-19 pandemic has sharpened our awareness of the depth of global interdependence and of the fact that the world is only as resilient as the least resilient country. The events of the past year have clearly demonstrated how imperative it is for all countries to coordinate responses to the various challenges that the pandemic has brought to the fore. It is the lack of a coordinated global response that has exposed the vulnerabilities and weaknesses of the multilateral system as it stands today, providing a timely reminder for the pressing need for comprehensive reform. While the pandemic exposed the fault lines from unreliable global supply chains to inequitable vaccine distribution, it has also underlined the need for global solidarity and strengthened multilateralism. The reimagined post-pandemic world will make profoundly different demands from the multilateral system, which must evolve accordingly so as to be fit for purpose and capable of inspiring confidence in its ability to effectively meet those demands.
स्थायी सदस्य चीन की अध्यक्षता में आयोजित सुरक्षा परिषद की यह बैठक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय शांति और सुरक्षा का रखरखाव, बहुपक्षीयता और संयुक्त राष्ट्र केंद्रित अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रणाली को लेकर बनाए रखने के विषय पर आयोजित की गई थी। बैठक में विदेश सचिव हर्षवर्धन श्रृंगला ने कहा, पिछले साल की घटनाओं ने साफ तौर पर दिखाया है कि सभी देशों के लिए उन चुनौतियों के जवाबों को समन्वित करने के लिए कितना जरूरी है जो महामारी सामने लाई है।
Several contemporary global challenges have come to the fore, such as terrorism, radicalism, pandemics, climate change, threats from new and emerging technologies, growing asymmetric threats, disruptive role of non-state actors, and the intensifying geopolitical competition, all of which call for a robust multilateral response. While the UN has addressed most of these issues somewhat partially and intermittently, our collective effort has nonetheless fallen short in providing effective and enduring solutions, particularly due to the infirmities within the multilateral system. Mr. President, 2021 is a watershed moment in the history of the world, providing a timely opportunity to reflect on the effectiveness of the UN in achieving the goals and objectives that its founders had set out 75 years ago. The multitude of challenges of today's dynamic and interdependent world cannot be addressed with outdated systems that were designed to deal with the challenges of the past.
विदेश सचिव ने कहा, पिछले साल अकेले हमने पूरे विश्व में 150 से ज्यादा देशों को कोविड-19 टीके, दवाइयां और चिकित्सा उपकरण उपलब्ध कराए। इन देशों में भारत के निकटतम पड़ोसियों से लेकर लैटिन अमेरिकी और अफ्रीकी देश तक शामिल हैं।
We have been the leading advocate of the concerns and aspirations of developing countries and the creation of a more equitable international economic and political order. Mr. President, India has contributed immensely to maintaining international peace and security as a leading troop contributing country towards UN peacekeeping missions, having sacrificed the highest number of lives in this noble endeavor. We have also fostered global socio-economic development through transparent, viable, sustainable, and demand-driven partnership programs. On climate action, India is today one of the few countries which is on track to meet its mitigation commitments under the Paris Agreement. We have also taken the lead in launching important multilateral initiatives on climate action, like the International Solar Alliance and the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure. Over the past year alone, we have provided COVID-19 vaccines, pharmaceuticals, and medical equipment to more than 150 countries across the world.
इसी दोस्ती और एकजुटता की भावना के साथ हम उन सभी की तारीफ करते हैं जिन्होंने दूसरी लहर से जूझने के दौरान हमारी आवश्यक जरूरतों को पूरा किया।
हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें और नई अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।